Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 129. So here it is. Let's read the story. Now, it's time for Jiyan to perform on the stage. Everyone seems to be expecting something. Well, definitely singing. It's really her forte. Even though right now, there's a lot of people in the crowd chanting her name, Jian. Jian. People are calling hers. She's going to start singing. Well, she seems to be looking around. Maybe she got really afraid. But right now, seeing this, a lot of people across around the venue that's calling her name. Of course, it was really a flattering feeling. Now, Jian, she hold the mic a long time. She's starting to sing. I don't stand on the stage to sing anymore. But now, she was really standing, singing on the audience. And there's a lot of people chanting her name. Now, looking at Jinshu, she was really seriously staring at hers. Well, what a big fan she is. Now, Jian thinks that although I can see Akshu's right now, I know she was really in there. She must be watching me from the audience. Well, definitely she was right. Akshu was waiting for her and watching her closely. She must be watching from the audience. Well, look at her. It's like she was really enchanted by her voice. Akshu, she's not moving. But looking at this little girl, she was really acting strange. She was calling Jian. It's like a big fan of hers. Now it makes sense. Suddenly, she looked up on Jingshu. Now she was smiling and Jingshu was blushing. Jian, singing gracefully. Of course, she can really perform well, 'cause she really likes singing. Now, seeing on the crowd, after finishing singing, there's a lot of people waving their lights. Jian, she looks really flattered, right? Her face, it seems to be satisfied. The people really likes her song. She must really exhausted by singing too much. Looking at herself, Akshu, it's like she was really flattered. Seeing Jian right now, her heart is really beating fast. After singing, Jian said to the audience, Happy New Year. Well, it turns out it was a New Year's event. What I just said, now, it's talking to me. Oh, after hearing that, Jian, Akshu seems to be flattered. Now, it makes sense. Akshu, Happy New Year. I saw you on the stage, Jian said to her. Now, she need to wait. The backstage interview is over. Can I go to find you? Jian said to her. Well, she was really sweet, right? She replied said good. It turned out to be. Well, of course, she really want to see her. Right now, Jingshu. There's an empty seat next to me. Of course, she was really waiting for her. Now, let's see on what will happen. Since that, Jian, she was really happy. And now, she was excited to see Jingshu. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!